Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the two most powerful indicators that I use for my daily trading. After careful research and back testing, I found out that this indicator worked pretty well and I decided to share that experience with you guys. If you like the content on this video, subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and finally hit that bell notification for more videos like this. So let's get into it. We will start off with the MACD indicator. This is the MACD indicator right here. All this line right here is the MACD. So if you look right here, you see the MACD. Okay, this indicator has two zones. It has a negative zone right here, and above right here is a positive zone. When the MACD is a negative zone, it means the stock is bearish, and when it's a positive zone, it means the stock is bullish. Now, what I mean by that, the stock is bullish and the stock is bearish. Now, for someone who just started trading, probably gonna ask, okay, what I mean by that is mean that when the stock is bearish, it means people are selling. In other words, there's more sellers than buyers, and the stock is dropping. You see what I mean? The example, look at the MACD indicator right here, right? You see the MACD is MACD crossover. The blue line crossing the yellow line, and you see what happened? It dropped, and the stock dropped, and stock drop as well. The MACD start trending in a negative zone. It dropped all the way right here. That's what I mean by bearish. And on the other hand, the stock is bullish when the price of the security is rising. Here is an example. Let's look right here, and we see the MACD indicator is heading above the positive zone. And then if you look at the stock right here, and we see the stock rising, pull back, rise, pull back, rise. That means the stock is in a bullish position. There's more buyers and people are interested about the stock, and that's why, and then the price is rising. Now, how do I trade using the MACD indicator? I will show you my entry point and my exit point as well. Since the MACD provide earlier signals, if you understand how the MACD indicator works, and if you look the video closely, you will definitely understand that this is where the reversal started. That everything started right here. Once the MACD, the blue line cross below the yellow line, you will definitely tell that there's a reversal coming, so it's time to get out the trade. So from my perspective, I believe that the MACD indicator provides earlier signal than any other indicator. So if you don't understand, you'd be like, okay, well, the stock's still in a positive way, but you don't understand that with this reversal, with this MACD crossing the yellow line, it tells you that this stock is gonna go down. It's a reversal coming, and so you should get ready to exit your trade right away. Now this is how I'll be trading using the MACD indicator. So every time the MACD cross over, I will enter a trade right here, and every time the MACD cross below, I will exit the trade. If I'm day trading, I will exit the trade right away. But if I'm swing trading the stock, then I'll wait until the stock cross below 20-day moving average. Using my strategy to enter and exit the trade, this is what I'll be looking for. This is going to be my exit right here. The blue line crossing below the yellow line. This is going to be my entry to the upside, right? And this is going to be my exit too. This is going to be my exit too. And this is going to be my entry on the upside, the blue line crossing above the yellow line. My other entry on the upside, blue line crossing above the yellow line. The MACD indicator heading to the positive zone. Okay, now exiting the trade on MACD indicator heading to the negative zone, and it hit the 20-day moving average and it bounced back, right? And it started going sideways. Well, this MACD indicator provides earlier signal to exit and enter a trade. Now look at the MACD indicator. Now it's swing downtrend, which means the blue line crossed the yellow line. That tells you this stock is gonna drop. So, and see what happened right here, and the stock start going sideways. It dropped, bounced back, sideways. But all of a sudden, it dropped all the way down. Well, now this will be my entry point right here. I'll be entering the MACD. Once the MACD cross the negative zone, heading to the positive zone, I'll be entering right here. This will be my entry point, and I will ride the stock all the way right here. And once the MACD cross over, which I mean the blue line cross the yellow line, I will exit the trade right here, right away. That's what I would exit the trade. The second most indicator that I use is the RSI. And right down here is the RSI right here. Or this line that you see is going up and down, that is the RSI. So if you look right here, it says RSI. So this is how I set up my RSI. It's from 30 to 100. So when it comes to buy a stock, I'm looking for a stock that's trading below its intrinsic value or fair value. In another word, RSI below 70 or overbought. And that doesn't mean that I would just jump into the trade right away. Here comes the MACD in that case. I'll have to wait for the reversal signal or sign of uptrend. Here is an example, and I watch the MACD indicator. So when it comes to the MACD indicator, in that case, I wait for the MACD indicator to cross the negative zone, going uptrend, and making sure that I'm buying the stock in a fair value. And a fair value means I'm talking about the RSI below 70. And when the MACD indicator gives me sign of a reversal, then I will just buy. I'll just enter the trade right away and hold the stock until I see the MACD indicator reverse to the downtrend, to the downside. And I'll hold the stock until I see the MACD indicator reverse to the downside. See, most likely the RSI acting like a escalator, up and down, up and down, and up and down. On the other hand, the MACD indicator is more likely like acting like the elevator. So one way up, one way down, and then when it goes sideways, it means the elevator is stopped, that is not moving. In another word, that's how I look at it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from this. And if you do, please subscribe, like, and hit that bell notification for more videos like this.